it, bring it on. Kiss a frozen chucha.
Kiss it.
Flop back anytime, rubber butt.
See you, fatty.
That's cool, see you, fatty. Did it take you a while to come up with that one? All right, way to go, tall guy.
Give me pin. Spontaneous.
Spontaneous.
See, and these are the bad times.
Yeah, our food chain gone loco.
Everyone a bit down. Interested in chicas?
Hey.
You kidding?
Without us, the chicas got no boom.
So why aren't you collecting pebbles? Pebbles, schmebbles, man.
We got personality with a capital Y. Why? Because we're hot.
Watch and learn, tall boy.
Yeah.
Hey, let me tell something to you. Except for me, tall boy, you got the most charisma of anybody.
Put that ego away, Ramon. You're gonna hurt someone.
Yes, just a moment. I hear people wanting something. Me!
I love gravity.
Oh, I feel like reminiscing.
Reminiscing?
What was it?
How should we know?
With penguins.
Very little penguins.
But no, alien.
What's he talking about?
I don't know. Some hombre called
I
Iliad.
don't know a guy named Alien. I knew a guy named Esteban, but no, I don't.
Esteban is an alien.
Guys, we have a mystery here. A mind-boggling mystery.
So, what are we supposed to do about it?
Yeah.
Amigos, we gotta get to the bottom of this thing.
Big guy, let me tell something to you. Come close. Don't be afraid. You want answers.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
Nothing else?
No.
Then this is very easy. You go see Lovelace.
Ah, lovely.
What's the Lovelace?
Genius, Ramon.
Thank you.
You are the man.
Right now, I take a moment for myself.
Let's go.
Bow down, bow down.
You're the man.
That's enough. I feel your love.
Who's Lovelace?
Lovelace is the guru.
Go see Lovelace.
He got the answer to everything.
Everything. Really?
Ask him. He never wrong.
Never. But first,
Hey, wait a minute. What about us? The penguin next to you. Put your flippers up. Fluff him up a little bit. And give him a great big hug.
There's the rub.
Okay, ladies. Make that little noise again, girl.
Hey, what they got we don't got, man?
What you hugging me for?
he told me to.
Get away.
Now you like it.
Get off him, Ramon.
Hey, Stretch, you got any stones where you come from?
We don't collect stones.
You don't? Why not?
We live on the ice. So how you win the heart of the ladies? Well, we sing. Sort of.
Hey, let's go check it out. Maybe she got some friends.
I like him talk.
Yeah.
It's never gonna work. Family! What's he doing? Somebody! I think he's singing.
Ain't no singing. That's not singing.
Yeah, I heard an animal once do that, but then they rolled him over. He was dead.
Yeah,
Ooh, you in tragic shape, man.
Don't worry. We can face it.
we can?
Absolutely.
What?
We can? We can.
Really?
Yes. Let me tell something to you. Come close. Closer. You wanna sing?
Yeah,
You sure?
absolutely.
You making fun of me?
No.
Then this is very easy.
Really? Gosh, if I could sing, that would change everything.
You will sing. You just got to do exactly what I say.
Okay.
Did I say okay?
No.
No. What did I say?
Do exactly what you say.
Exactly what I say.
If it were really you, yeah.
It is me. Sorta.
Yeah. Turn around. What do you know?
Yeah. Gloria.
Mumble, how could you?
Hello. I know size can be daunting, but don't be afraid. I love you.
Oh, Gloria, please.
I love you!
Oh, yeah.
Gloria.
Gloria!
Gloria.
Gloria!
Please, Gloria, wait.
Please, Gloria, wait for me!
Ramon!
I like big tails and I can't deny.
Gloria.
Okay. Hey, let me tell something to you.
Don't touch me, you filthy varmint! Hey.
Watch it.
So it follows descent.
They said he came from the wrong side of town.
We sing the heart of our true friend Mumble. You are a nation of teeny weeny, piffling, piccolini, piddly diddly truth.
Together.
Don't worry, tall guy. My father also called me a beautiful loser. Look how I turn out.
You're not helping, Ramon.
He's gonna be okay. All he gotta do is find out what happened to the fish.
How are you gonna do that?
He think of something,
The aliens.
What?
How you gonna find aliens? Lovelace.
but he don't like you. He don't like you at all.
That's okay. I'll appeal to his better nature.
How you gonna do that? Cruel and unusual punishment?
Unimaginable torture?
Imaginable torture?
You're singing?
Oh! Oh, he's possessed.
Oh, no!
It's a seizure! Over the beat! Grab his tongue! No, he's choking. That thing around his neck, it's way too tight.
Well, why didn't you say so?
Come on,
On three.
Uno! Stop! Listen, no! Amigos! Amigos! Stop! You're hurting him. Oh!
Any better?
Lovelace?
I knew it!
It's all a lie. But this Two words.
Three syllables. What is it? You're dying?
No, wait. Past your past life.
You're passing gas.
Now he thinks he's an elephant seal.
No. Go over the mountains.
Go to the mountains!
To the land of the elephant seals.
Beyond the land of the elephant seals.
Beyond the land of the elephant seals. Yay!
I hear voices.
What?
There is a voice.
Where?
There's a little voice on the wing.
It's me. I'm just not up for a serious relationship right now.
What he's trying to do now is he's pushing her away.
Mumble,
Let's watch the fun.
no matter what you say or do, you're stuck with me. Oh, come on. As if you're not totally thrilled that I'm here.
Now she got him on the ropes.
See,
Don't care where you're from. That's got to hurt.
Excuse me?
Gloria's so good. Frou.
Frou-frou?
Oh, that's right.
Ah, coming from someone who thinks it's cool.
Amigo, that was a good thing you do.
She is going to be so much better off without you. She's going to find a good, steady guy to comfort her and love her up real good and raise a big family.
Ramon.
And then she's going to let herself go and...
Ramon! He's hurting. He's hurting bad.
Oh, listen. Don't hold it in or you explode. You got to let it out. You just let it out. You let it out. Everybody turn away for a moment. If she leave him now, she take away the biggest part of him.
Ooh, don't, baby, please don't.
Please,
go.
guys. No more singing.
You're making me nauseous. So I become silent, almost moody. And you know what she says? You never share. You got to let it out.
Oh, come on.
Let it out.
All right.
Let it out.
Stop it. Let it go.
I never had a good relationship in my life.
Give him a hug. Give him a
I
hug.
let it out. There we go. I let it out.
Elephant seals. They're not penguin eaters, are they?
I don't know. I believe they're herbivores.
What?
You know, kelp suckers.
Here we go, Lovelace. Come on.
Jumping time. Okay,
Ready? Oh, boy. Okay, ready?
I can do this. I got to trick myself. Boy, look at that. What?
Sometimes a brave penguin will just slip away to die.
Do you think he went to a happy place?
Probably.
No. I think he went this way.
Oh, his feet don't look too good. He rested here.
Now he's on his belly.
Oh, this way.
No, this way.
Yes, there. Look.
You're right.
There he is. Lovelace!
Oh, look at.
We're here.
Are you okay?
Come on, man. Hang in there, buddy.
What is it?
Oh, look. There's one for everyone.
Tell him we come in peace.
We come in peace.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Stay calm. Stay calm.
That's not good.
Okay, don't stay calm.
They're making us appetizers.
They're appetizing us.
We're all gonna die.
Oh, bunch of them.
They're gonna rule the world.
Ay, Dios mío.
It's gotta be them.
If it is, I don't want to know about it.
They don't even know we exist.
Let me tell you something to you. This is the end of the road. It's over. You did everything penguinly possible.
You found the aliens.
We gonna testify to that.
We'll tell you the whole Laughing Boy Nation, they were dead wrong about you.
Now let's all go back home right now.
Right on.
Could I ask a favor of you?
Sure.
What kind of favor?
Could you make sure Gloria's okay?
What?
And my ma?
Huh?
And if you see Pa, tell him I tried.
Okay, what you talking about?
I'm gonna stop them taking our fish.
How you gonna do that, Mumble?
Adios, amigos!
mío! He did it!
Madre mia, you believe that?
How are we gonna tell his mama he bring us all this way just to kill himself?
No, he didn't. Look.
He loco maniac! First ever flying flipper bird!
I told you take that tall boy once.